Alright, it's May 1st. A very cold, snowy May 1st. There's a ton of snow out here for this time of the year, and although it is melting and creating a lot of water, it started the day snowing again. So it's melted. All of this was there was no green at all when I woke up. And I'm staying for the entire week this time. I guess it's an opportunity to get a lot of work done. And Haga and I did get a lot of work done. She was here yesterday. We came up on 2 days ago. She came on Saturday. We came on Saturday. And finished our ceiling work, which it took us 4 hours. So we had 4 hours, too little material from last year, from when we stopped. And that was a really great feeling to get that completely sealed and ready for the guys to come blow in insulation. We don't have a firm date on that yet. Okay, so anyway, this is outside. It's very pretty. I guess it's a little above freezing right now, which is good, but it's been cold. It alternates between beautiful sun and just gray, cold, rainy stuff, which is typical. All right, let's go inside. I'm gonna make this as quick as possible. We did some cleaning and organizing in here just to kind of, I guess, spring cleaning, and to kind of look forward to the next phase of things, which will be interior work, making this place sort of habitable, cabinetry, kitchen. We have a little more electrical work to do. Finished lighting. Anyway, we're very excited and sort of charged by it. But we moved sort of all the tools, the woodworking stuff, over to this side. And I just did that quickly yesterday. And we'll work on this a lot more this week to kind of get this thing all organized. All the materials, screws, hand tools, everything like that has just become it was sort of organized at the end of last year, and it's just complete chaos again. So I've got to mentally and physically get that all reordered, and so we can move forward. Okay, everything is happening up here at first. Be great to get some stairs up. This is the bedroom, and it will be the bedroom. And here is all the sort of building paper, insulation paper, and lath that we installed and finished yesterday. And this is what I'm going to kind of focus on. We'll see how many days it takes, but this will serve as kind of like a before picture. I've already started sanding it, but I'm vacuuming it intensely, every little nook and cranny, and blowing it out where I can. I'm going to scrub it with brushes. I'm going to scrub it with soap and water. But I think first I'm starting with like a thorough sanding of the wood. And like I said, I started some of this already, so you don't see the change in those top 2 or 3 logs up there at the apex of the roof, but it looks so much better pretty quickly. Actually, it's not nearly as hard a work as I thought it would be, but it's going to take time, and I'm going to go very methodically. I got a lot of podcasts to listen to, so we'll do that. I'm going to and we're going to hit everything. We're going to sand all of these sort of roof members and beams that are going to be exposed, and clean it all up. I mean, there's bird droppings even up here. We probably should have done this years ago. Just there was even less new construction in here, and just kind of did a hard power washing of it. That would have been the right thing to do. And I've heard of other renovation projects that's exactly what they did. They come in with a power washer and soap, and don't care if the original floor just gets soaked, and they just blast it, and it looks beautiful. But we do everything sort of backwards, it seems. Yep. So this is before. I guess I'll go up close. Hega's actually hit this. Hega's worked on this too. So this is not even this is actually a lot better than it used to be. I got a whole bunch of sandpaper and a lot of energy right now. Another thing that we probably need to do, and we'll see what the time allows, is we've got the sort of the municipal chimney authority, chimney sweep, and chimney inspector we've contacted, so we can get a sign off on the fireplace I built. And I need to fully stucco this chimney. That won't affect our inspection, I think, because it should be secure and fire safe without the stucco. But it probably wouldn't hurt making it look better, giving us a better chance of passing the inspection. Look more professional. I'm kind of worried about it for some reason, even though I know that what we've built is certainly an improvement, better constructed than what was there. You always seem to have bad luck with when you try to do things by the book, don't you? Okay, I'm venturing into rambling, so I'll stop.